Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Are you struggling with the process on how to delete your YouTube channel? Well, if you are, then this video is made for you. In this video, I'm going to guide you guys on a step-by-step tutorial on how to delete your YouTube channel. Without any further ado, we're getting right into our video. The first thing we're going to do is open our YouTube app. Here, as you can see, right after opening your YouTube app, you'll be on the home page. From the home page, if you look at the top right hand side corner, you can see your profile icon. Here, you'll have to tap on your profile icon. Once you have tapped on your profile icon, here you can see many options. On the second option right below your name, you can see your channel option. Tap on it. Once you have tapped on your channel option, here you can see on the top right hand side corner 3 dots. Tap on the 3 dots. And from here you can get about 4 options. Here you'll have to tap on the help and feedback option. From here you can get about various options. And on the search bar here you'll have to type delete account. You can get option delete or hide your YouTube channel on the very first option. Tap on it. Once you have tapped on it, scroll down and on the below you'll get about 2 options that are hide your channel temporarily or delete your channel permanently. Here you'll have to tap on the second option. After that, once again scroll down and right below the delete your YouTube channel you get option YouTube Studio. That is a link. You'll have to tap on it. From here, you can see various options. Here, if you zoom in into the left-hand side corner, you can see there are 2 options. There is a gear icon and an information button. From here, you'll have to tap on the gear icon. Then tap on channel that is located on the second option. Once you have tapped on the channel option, if you zoom in and see, then there are about 3 options: basic information, advanced settings, and so on. Here you'll have to tap on the advanced settings option. From here, you'll have to scroll down. And on the very end, you can get about 2 options that are manage YouTube account and remove YouTube account. Tap on the manage YouTube account. From here, you'll have to tap on the advanced settings option that is located here. And here you can see various options. On the very end, there is an option delete channel. Tap on it. And in order to delete your YouTube channel, here you'll have to type in the password that you have used while creating your YouTube channel. Then tap on next. After that, you'll be on the page where it is said remove your YouTube content. Here you'll get 2 options that are I want to hide my channel and I want to permanently delete my content. Tap on I want to permanently delete my content option. And after that, here you'll get about 2 options that are your playlist, your subscription channel, and the comments you made on YouTube, and all the other things will be deleted. It is also said that any paid subscriptions that you own on YouTube or YouTube Premium or YouTube TV or channel membership will all be cancelled. So if you're sure enough you want to delete, then tap on the toggle button, then tap on delete my content. Once you're done with that, here it is said that this will permanently delete all your YouTube content, including all the videos, playlists, likes, subscriptions, and so on. And once you're confirmed about that, then here you'll have to type in the email address that you have used while creating your YouTube channel. And once you're done with that, you'll have to tap on the delete my content option. And here, as you can see, you have successfully deleted your YouTube channel. That was an easy step-by-step tutorial on how to delete your YouTube channel. Thank you for staying to the very end of this video. I hope you found our video helpful. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe. Have a good day.